Hello friends, welcome to Big Foodies. Today we are cooking singhade ke aate ki puri. These puris are mostly eaten at the time of various festivals like Shivratri, Janmashtami, Durga Ashtami, etc. This is a great gluten-free food. Before checking the recipe, please subscribe to Big Foodies by pressing the subscribe button to get new recipes every week and never miss a video from Big Foodies, and hit the bell icon to get notifications about new recipes. Let's check the ingredients now to make singhade ke aate ki puri for your family and friends. Hello friends, today we are making singhade ke aate ki puri. To make singhade ke aate ki puri, we have taken 2 cups of singhade ka atta in a large bowl. Now add sendha namak as per your taste. During the fasting, we use sendha namak. If you are not making it for fasting, you can also use regular salt. Add some finely chopped green chilies. Add the finely chopped coriander leaves and boiled potatoes. So we have added 2 medium-sized boiled potatoes, and we will be using only potatoes to knead the dough. And make sure you don't add any water in this singhade ka atta because it leaves a lot of moisture after you knead the dough. As we start kneading the dough, just mash the potatoes using your hands. You can also mash the potatoes using potato masher and then add it to the flour. Mix the potatoes and the flour really nicely. It will require a little bit of time. Don't add any water, otherwise the dough will be too much soggy and you will not be able to roll the puris properly. So you can see that as we are kneading the dough, it is leaving a good amount of moisture. After the dough is kneaded like this, just keep it for 15 to 20 minutes aside so that it will leave more moisture, and then you will be able to knead the dough completely. Don't add any water, otherwise it will become too much soggy and you will not be able to roll the puris properly. It will not taste good if you will add the water. So friends, we have rested the singhade ka atta for 20 minutes, and now when you start kneading it, you will feel that it has left a really good amount of moisture. Take 1 tablespoon of oil in your hand. So now you can see that our dough is really nicely kneaded for singhade ke aate ki puri. Take some oil in your hand in the palm and start making the balls of the dough. So take small portions. Don't take too much big portions because singhade ki aate ki puri you can't roll big. You need to roll it small puris. So this is how you need to make the balls for the puris. So similarly, you can make small balls out of the dough. So now we have made the balls out of the dough, and we will start rolling the puris. As you start rolling the puris, we can heat some oil in a broad pan to fry the puris. So we have taken some oil to roll the puris. Now start rolling it. So these puris don't come really in good shape, and roll it very carefully because it will break very easily. So as you can see, they can't be rolled very beautifully, and they will not come in proper shape. To give it a proper shape, we will be using a small bowl like this, and just give it a cut using this and take out the sides. So now you can see our puri is really rolled nicely. Now take it out gently, very slowly. So similarly we need to roll all the puris. Let me show you one more time. First take some oil and cover the ball with the oil. Now start rolling it gently with the rolling pin. Now use a little bowl and give it a good shape. You can also fry the puris without giving it any shape if you don't want to waste your time, but it will really look nice and round if you will give it a good shape using something like this. Take out the excess from the sides. Now take this out very gently. So you can see that how beautifully we have made the Singhade ke aate ki puri. Similarly we will roll all the puris. So friends, you can see that we have rolled the puris. So now let's start frying them. Don't use too much of hot oil for frying these puris because they just require a medium hot oil. We have kept the flame to medium. So let's start frying the puris. Just press it a little bit, don't press too much. And we don't need to turn it too much. Just roast it nicely on one side and then turn it to the other side. We need to deep fry the puris until they are golden brown. So you can see that how nicely this puri is puffed up. Take them out on a paper towel. Similarly, we have to fry all the puris. Let me show you one more time. Similarly, we have to fry all the puris. So you can see that how nicely this puri is puffed up. Let's serve it. So friends, we have served the Singhade ke aate ki puri with dry falahari aloo ki sabzi, gili falahari aloo ki sabzi and some yogurt or dahi. So the recipe for dry and gili aloo ki sabzi you can find in our other video. This puri really goes very well with aloo ki sabzi and dahi. So enjoy this puri with your family and friends. Make it at the time of any festivals like Janmashtami, Shivratri or Durgashtami or Navratri festival. You will really love it. Try this puri, and if you like this recipe, please subscribe to Big Foodies for new recipes every week and like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.